Hello everyone, so this is a decentralized community platform. So you might have heard about a platform named as Patreon. So we are trying to build something similar where we are trying to solve many problems that Patreon faces and we are trying to decentralize the platform. Now, who is this platform for? So it is for the content creators, such as YouTubers, comedians, authors, developers, artists, musicians, or filmmakers, or any type of content creators. Now, two of the main problems that we are trying to solve for are how can content creators monetize their work in a better way? So the problem is that the independent content creators find it very difficult to monetize their content at the starting. And because of that, they do not have funds for what they are trying to build. As well as we're trying to solve for how can content consumers engage with their favorite creators. So on platforms like YouTube or Patreon, there is a lot of gap between the consumers and the creators. So we are trying to bridge those gaps. So our proposed solution looks like this. So we have some contributors and we have creators. And instead of directly transferring the amount from the contributors to creators, just like it happens in Patreon, we're trying to go through a different route. Here, we have a staged pool in the middle. And whenever a contributor wants to contribute, that amount goes into the staged pool. Now, whenever this is held in a pool, the money is not controlled by the contributor or the creator or by the developers. It is held on the smart contract. Now, whenever this contribution takes place, we have something called as the milestones. Now, milestones are gamified version of levels of a creator. So whenever a contributor contributes, the level of that creator increases. And based on whether the milestone is crossed or not, the contributor receives some cashback. So these cashbacks basically incentivize the contributors to bring in more users into the community. Now, if the creator needs money for his project, he can basically request funds and the contributors can then vote for that particular request. Now, this vote happens in a decentralized way, therefore it is completely secure. Now, if the voting results are true, that is a majority have voted yes, then we release those funds to the creator. So instead of directly transferring money, we have created a controlled flow of money in the system. So now let's look at a demo. So here the user can sign up using their Google account. So we have used Magic Link for this, where it creates a wallet associated with your email address. Now, once we have logged in, we can view our wallet at the top right corner, and we can also view the ENS name for that, if there is an ENS name associated with it. Also the avatar. Now let's log in another creator this time. Now, once the creator has been logged in, the first step for a creator is to set up all their details. So these details include their name, the work description, the benefits and perks that they are providing to their community members, the profile picture, and an NFT template which would be given to their members, and the milestone goal. So this is in Matic, 0.2 Matic. Now once the details has been saved, now the user could go to Discover section where they could view that particular creator and could also decide to become a member for that creator. So becoming a member means getting a free NFT as well, and we can donate how much we want to. So 0.1 has been donated. Once you have contributed, you could view option to send more as well as chat. Now the creator could request for funds where they could enter why they need the funds, the description for it, and also the amount that they need. Now they could request for funds. Now once the funds has been requested, the user can cast a vote for it. So this user has voted no. And let's log in another user, and this is voted a yes. Now the creator could close the votes and transfer the amount into their wallet. The user can view their claimables, where they can view what claimables they have, what NFTs they have, and their subscription. They can also claim the claimables, and this means that they are getting the cashback for crossing a milestone. Coming to the social media part of this project, the creator could create posts which would be visible to the users. It could be everyone or members only, and now the users can view that particular post. We have also integrated a group chat using push protocol. So here the users can send messages into a group, as well as they could DM a particular person in the community. We have also integrated video chat in this. Using video, the creators could also decide to randomly give away a free NFT to someone. Now for this, we have used this DRAND's random generator to select a winner from the community.